Survey boat 1 is at buoy 3, station set.
Roger, maintaining 2 knots and depth sounding. Commercial traffic is clear on the port side, proceed as planned. Hold tension on the rear lines.
Affirmative.
Slow and steady, watch the cables.
10 meters to entry.
Contact approaching, maintain vertical.
Keep it steady. Secure that bundle on the corner. Got it. Check the alignment.
Keep the flow steady. Adjust the angle slightly. Monitoring the mix ratio. Ensure full coverage. Vibrators. Finish the section on the left. Keep it steady on the aft line. Maintain tension, 50 meters to depth. Monitoring alignment, no geometry drift.
The readings are stable. Looking good. Integrity verified.
The pour is steady. We need to check the vibration here. Maintain the flow from barge 3. The level is rising well. Keep it steady. Tighten those anchor bolts now. Check the alignment here. Secure the corners first.
Elevation verified. Hold position.
Tensioning complete.
Roger that. Status check.
Keep it steady. Millimeters now.
Clear on this side, adjusting left 5 points.
Locked in, confirming survey. Ready for connection.
The bolted connection looks good, record as verified.
Checking the tension on number 7 cable.
Survey team confirming final alignment on the pylon.
Secure the bracket on the far side. Copy. Securing now. Check the tension on the upper cable systems. Will do. Adjusting now.
The marking crew is ahead of schedule.
Keep a steady pace on those barriers.
Cable tension is holding at optimum. Verifying against the specs now. Good, let's head down to the anchor box. The ventilation is running at 50% capacity. Affirmative. Check the pressure levels on the pumps now. Readings are stable across all 6 units.